I make the deep condition that I apply. So if you don't want, hey guys, good day, welcome back again to my videos. So guys, in this video I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth with hot or coke and hot. Okay, so here they call it afro floke. Okay, so this is oatmeal. Let me show you. So see, it's hot, it's quick and hot. Okay, so I am going to be using quick and hot or hot. So I will be adding vitamin E. Are you seeing it? So I will add my homemade rosemary and clove oil. I made it myself. Okay, so if you don't have this, you are free to add olive oil. Okay, so I have avocado oil. I made it myself. In case you don't have this, you can skip this, and you can also skip this and add the olive oil. Okay, so because I am not going to add olive oil because I use olive oil to make all this oil. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to be adding in is mayonnaise. Okay, I'll be adding mayonnaise. It's also called bama. Okay, so it depends of the country you are living. All right, so in Nigeria I think it's bama. So now I will be using mayonnaise. Okay, it's normal mayonnaise. All right, I'm going to turn on my gas because I will cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so that's it. So that's my water. I am going to be adding 1.5 spoons of this. Let me just use 2 spoons of this. So I'll be using 2 spoons of afro floke, which means oatmeal. Okay, so I'll be using 2 spoons of oatmeal. So this spoon is very big, so if you are using it, to make sure if you have this type, you can use 2. So it depends on your hair. If your hair is very full, so you can use like 3 4. Okay, but if you can use anything to measure. All right, okay, I'll leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so you are going to see everything. Stay tuned. So guys, let's check. It's almost ready. I want to leave it for 3 minutes. All right, so guys, it's ready. I did not add anything to it to blend though, so I want to blend it now. So I am going to be serving it with this my chief cloth. So it's hot. You have to let yours to be cool before doing it, okay? Because it's very hot, you know. Are you seeing it? So the next one is gonna be avocado oil. So I'll be using a teaspoon of avocado oil. So the next one is a homemade egg growth oil. This one you're seeing here is clove and rosemary oil. All right, so I am going to be using a tablespoons. Okay, so 2 teaspoons. So if you don't have all this oil at home, so you are free to use olive oil. Okay, so it's normal olive oil. It's normal olive oil. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to be adding in is mayonnaise. Okay, it's mayonnaise. All right, if you don't have this, you can use bama. All right, 1 2 3 4. So it's time to mix everything together. All right, are you seeing the deep condition? Are you seeing the look?